Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the IITian Coder. This is a video of hints and question explanation and the test cases explanation of restore sequence, the next question in November long challenge 2020. So in this question, Alice has a very complex machine. When fed with the sequence A1 to AN, it produces a sequence B1 to Bn, where for each valid I, Bi is the largest index j such that Ai divides Aj. So if you are looking for hints, underline this: AI divides AJ. AI divides AJ. And for example, this is the example. See, 2 divides 6, it divides 4. But as the index of 4 is larger, we put 5 here. And Alice gave you a sequence B that was produced by the machine. And you need to find an integer sequence A which such that when it is fed into the machine, then the machine produces the sequence B. Alice does not like huge integers, so make sure that AI is in between 4 to 10 raised to 6 and 1. And so you are given the test cases, the integer n and the bn sequence. Okay, and you need to output the an sequence. So this is constraint on n is 10 raised to 5, so your time complexity should be accordingly O or O log n. Simple. Take a look on the value of the constraint of t and you will get to know the time complexity of the question. And try to solve the subtask 1, and solving subtask 1 will give you a very great hint for solving subtask 2. Like, it will almost give away the question for 80 points if you solve subtask 1 with 20 points. This was a very great hint. Okay, now the next thing is I will explain you the test cases. So we are given 2 and then 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to find a sequence for which the machine, when inputted this sequence, produces this. So this sequence is correct. See, as you can see, 2 divides 6, 2 divides 4, but as 4 is the larger index, it is 5 here. 6 divides nothing, 6 only divides 6, so the answer is 2. 5 only divides 5, so the answer is 3. 3 only divides 3, so 3 divides 6, but the highest integer is this, so the answer is 4. And 4 divides only 4, which is the largest integer, so the answer is 5. And here, as you can see, all divide 12 and 12 is the largest integer, so the answer for all is 12, 4. So with the explanation of the test cases, the question seems so. I hope I explained you the question as well as the test cases and gave you significant hints. So please do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the tutorials that will be uploaded as soon as the contestants and the solution code itself. Thank you very much.